Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how you can change your avatar on Hero Wars. So let's dive into the video without further ado. First of all, open your Hero Wars application and make sure that you are inside this main homepage. From the homepage, go ahead and tap on your profile icon or the profile avatar at the top left hand corner. Now in the pop-up, tap on Change Avatar. Now you will be presented with a list of avatars to choose from. You can filter search the avatar by choosing the campaign, hero, skins or unique, titans and other avatar frames option, and go ahead and select the avatar available to you. Some of the avatars over there will be unlocked after completing some of the chapters, so you can go ahead and make a progress throughout the game to unlock all of those avatars. For now, let's select one of the avatars and simply tap on it in order to change to a different avatar. So that's how you can easily change an avatar on Hero Wars with a simple click of a button. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.